channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. Italian soccer legend Roberto Baggio is extensively taken into consideration many of the finest footballers of his generation. Baggio, additionally recognized as Divin Condino, the divine ponytail, for his hairstyle, has had an arguable profession, and the controversies have affected his performances on the field. Despite the controversies, he won repute for his curling free kicks and dribbling abilities, except for his fierce instincts of the intention. His profession is now ready to be documented through Netflix. Baggio, the Divine Ponytail, a documentary on his existence, now has a release date with the trailer already out. Netflix has launched the trailer of Baggio, the Divine Ponytail. The documentary may be a parallel dramatization of the previous Italian international's childhood, similarly via to the upward thrust to stardom. Indeed, Baggio became unstoppable at the height of his profession and went directly to win the Ballon d'Or, aside from the FIFA Player of the Year accolade for his impeccable shape in 1993. Netflix has additionally set the discharge date for the Baggio documentary on May 26 of 2021. The Roberto Baggio Netflix documentary will attention to showcasing his 22-year-long profession together with few controversies. One of the important highlights of the documentary is assumed to revolve around his past from Fiorentina to Juventus, aside the conflicts with numerous coaches. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series reviews, news and updates. Baggio's person may be performed through Romulus actor Andrea Arcangeli at the same time as the documentary is directed through Letizia Lamartine. Interestingly, this isn't the best documentary that ambitions to show of the existence of a former Italian soccer star. Sky's Art Italia is pepping as much as their documentary on Roma legend Francesco Totti later this month. Baggio is infamously recognized for having ignored a penalty kick inside the 1994 FIFA World Cup. Baggio arrived into an opposition as one of the pinnacle soccer stars, the only one whose soldiers laid the stress of wearing the Italian countrywide team. But accidents a spoiler early inside the opposition. He did not rate even as soon as inside the institution of the World Cup. Italy, one way or other, controlled to side beyond the institution level. Baggio, however, seemed to show the state of affairs around towards Nigeria inside the spherical of 16 clashes. Italy had been down through an intention with the clock timing on 88th minute. The Italian legend went on to attain 2 times to assist his fact ebook A Gap inside the very last 8. Thank you for watching the video till end. For Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our videos, then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.